Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on REALME GT2. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one and main one is on the bottom right here. Next is a phone call speaker right here, and that's basically all of them. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that means this phone does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.